Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this countertop rag holder. So this countertop rag holder is going to be particularly useful for individuals where you need somewhere on your sink to actually place different items. And so what you have here is that you have the top for where the rag is going to be placed. You have the sponge holder, which is right over here. And then over here, you can place miscellaneous stuff such as hand soap, lotion, or even scrubbers. So as far as using this goes, if we take the sponge here, the sponge can go inside of there. In addition to that, if you have a rag, the rag can actually be placed on top so that it dries more easily. So what this looks like is to simply place a rag on top, you just place the rag on top just like that. Now here in the center, like I mentioned before, this is where you can place some hand soap and dish soap. And so what's neat about this is that it is rust proof. It's very, very high quality. And in addition to that, it's going to make it look very nice, especially with a black finish, to actually go ahead and display your kitchen soap, dishwasher soap, lotion, scrubbers, sponges, etc. So overall, I'd say I'm very, very pleased with this.